How to install the Chatgpt app on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get the official Chatgpt desktop app set up on your PC. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to chatgpt.com by typing it into the address bar and pressing enter. At this point, scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for a download link or check the Microsoft Store directly. From there, click on the Start button and open the Microsoft Store. After that, type ChatGPT into the search bar at the top and press enter. In the next step, click on the official ChatGPT app from OpenAI in the search results. From there, click on Install or Get and wait for the download to complete. Once done, click on Open once the installation finishes. Following this, sign in with your OpenAI account using your email and password, or continue with Google or Microsoft if you have linked accounts. From here, once signed in, you'll be taken directly to the ChatGPT app interface where you can start a new conversation. At this stage, if you want quick access, pin the app to your taskbar. Right-click on the ChatGPT icon in your taskbar while it is open and click on Pin to Taskbar. Keep in mind, some advanced features like voice mode or certain plugins may require a paid ChatGPT Plus subscription to access fully within the desktop app. Finally, open the ChatGPT app and confirm it is working correctly and ready for you to start chatting. And that's it. If this guide helped you install the Chatgpt app on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.